All right, guys, we got a beast, a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. As you guys can see, he uses it for what it's supposed to be used for. All the scratches from the rock crawling. So it's really awesome. It's got factory converters up there and up there. Then it goes into a single under there. Then it's got a factory resonator there. 2.5-inch pipe. He tore it to bits. The other muffler system, we'll show it to you guys. He got it stuck on a rock. So we took it off, or it came off actually, and we put him a Flowmaster 80 series cross flow muffler. There'll be a link in the description. But there's the old system that he brought in the trunk, and I don't think we could salvage. It's torn to pieces. There it is. It's, you guys can see it's all bent up there. This is supposed to go straight like that. Not anymore. So, as you guys can see, it's a really fun Jeep. That's what Jeeps are really supposed to be made for. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Yeah, I like that tone. Nice clean tone. Not overly done. Again. As you guys can see, it's only like 95, 96. Not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds good. I like it. It's got a nice stance to it too. Blue on gray looks really nice together. I like that.